In addition to helping you manage your bugs and tasks, FogBugz can also help you manage communications with your customers. You can do that by setting up your help desk. To start, let's go to the admin menu on the bottom left and follow the link to mailboxes. Keep in mind that you'll need to know your mail server connection information. Click the link to add new mail account and you'll be taken to a form to set up your help address. Now I'm going to fill out the respective fields on the form. And as you scroll down, you also have the option to set up auto responses that your customers will receive as a first response to their email requests. For my team, I want to commit to responding to all messages within 1 day, so I'm going to change that text in the template. Now it reads, "Thank you for your message. We have received it and will get back to you within 1 business day." Based on that, I'll now set a default due date for all incoming emails so that FogBugz reminds me when I'm hitting the deadline to respond to my customers. Since I have committed in my auto response to getting back within 1 business day, I will set this to 24 hours. The option that you see here to determine working schedule and holidays is a way to configure FogBugz so that you can indicate that your team does not work weekends and certain holidays. The due dates that you establish will automatically take that into account so that, for example, an email received on Friday will not be due until Monday. Now, next, let's take a look at the auto sorting capability in FogBugz. This feature was initially set up to help you filter spam out of your inbox, but it also allows you to automatically sort emails into different areas in your inbox project based on keywords in the email. Areas are subdivisions of a FogBugz project. So for your inbox, you might have separate areas for your support team and your sales team. At the beginning, you'll need to train this feature by manually sorting emails into their respective areas when they come in. But after a few times, FogBugz will learn to do this on its own. Lastly, we need to direct these emails to the right people on your team. If there is more than one person responding to emails in your inbox, then it's helpful to set up an undecided user as a placeholder until you can distribute email cases to the appropriate person on your team. To do that, we'll go back to the admin menu in the bottom left and click the link for users. Then I'm going to click the button to add a new user. From here, select the option for a virtual user. A virtual user in FogBugz is free since they're meant to be placeholders for a collective team or, in this case, an unassigned category of user. So we'll enter a name such as undecided. And you can designate a single email address to receive notifications for this user, or if you have several people on your team who you want to have notified, you can also enter several email addresses. Now let's go to the inbox project to make this virtual user our primary contact for any inbound emails. To do this, go back to the admin menu in the bottom left and select Projects. Next, click on the Inbox project to set the primary contact. It will default to your username once you're doing this from your test account, but you can change that here to assign emails to your undecided user. Then we'll click OK to save this change. And in our training on filters, we'll show you how to create a filter for all new cases in the inbox project so that your team or team lead can refer to that to distribute cases amongst themselves.